around the corner. In fact, it's almost there. And we all use stoles and scarves to dress up. And here I'm going to show some simple ways so that your look is enhanced. So I have a stole with me. We collect it like this. 2 equal half parts around the neck. Just pass it once like this and make a bow. Normal bow, the way you do for laces. Like this, and take it on one side. So this is known as classic 50s style. Now I have a woolen pashmina stole. I've made it into half. So make it into 4 parts, 4 folds. Take it around the neck. Pass it once more. So we make figure of 8 like this, or turn it, and this part, one end should go from top like this, and the other part should come from down this, like this. So one from top and one from down. So this is how it's going to look. So now we are going to make infinity scarf, and it is one of the easiest one. So you just take 2 loose ends. Usually it comes very beautifully with silk scarf. The fall is very beautiful. Tie the knot like this and take it around your neck and turn this. And if your scarf is long, you can make 3 turns also. See how easy it is, and it looks beautiful. Sometimes we have stoles which have embroidery on them, and we like to keep them in the center. In that case, what we do, I have made this into 4 equal folds. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to make it into 2 equal parts. Take it around your neck, and one part we take it from below, and one part the stole we will take it from top. So here we go, and this is how the beautiful part, or some embroidery if you have and you want to flaunt it, you can do like this. This is a Georgette stole, and we are going to do a fake tie knot. Divide this into 2 equal parts. Now what we do, we take this, wrap around the hand, and this loose end comes out from here. See, like this. And this part, we take it out from here. And here we get a fake tie knot. So you can either leave it like this, or you can move it up also. So here it is. This is loose, that is why it's known as fake tie knot. I have something for people who are not having winters also. So this is one beach kind of a stole wear. So you take this, turn it around your neck once, tie 2 loose ends, and pass it on like this. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed it.